let's talk about one of the because he was one that said on the guy who was said he had known from this but very shaman and actually shaman similarly was the reaction of church this and also he just mentioned his music and being interested in being transformed which has to help the condition of the church. He was the first that was just for his mother. I don't think his brother, Andrew. He, Peter and Jude were a part of just Nassau. And he was there just amongst different miracles such as coming storms, coming storms on Peter himself was so well. He also performed some miracles like preaching, speaking about the revolution of Acts chapter 2. He also wrote the revolution of Acts chapter 9. So the interesting part about Peter that he was supposed to be really appointed. First and second Peter. He then just not for fight for Peter. So after Jesus' revolution, he was forgiven and restored Peter. He was first pope and everyone at church. More or less, he is not so great for the